for the right vehicle? Check out the 2020 Ford Edge. Thrills with more power and MPG. Either way, you're in for an exhilarating experience with Ford Edge. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, power passenger seat, traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, electronic stability control, compass, power windows, fog lights, rear window defroster, trip computer, heated front seats, overhead console, tachometer, cargo mat, remote keyless entry, panic alarm. Come see the car for yourself.